Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel and welcome to this all natural light. Okay, today it's time for my IPSY Glam Bag Plus unboxing. I got it yesterday. It's killing me not to open it, but I was also very tired after yesterday too. Got home late. So I quickly came home today, changed into something cooler. Well, anyway. This theme is July's IPSY bag is Soak It All In. And, the Glam Bag X, which I'm super excited for. They already announced the curator, who is Alicia Keys. I'm so excited. So that's probably, I think that's next month. But anyway, this is Soak It All In. Cute bag. Cute for summer. I keep all these bags, and I do use them to give other things away to other people. But I do keep them a lot. Ooh, what is this? Okay. Oh, first thing here. Oh, Soleil Let Your Hair Shine Mini Heat Brush. Oh, cool. This is for straightening. Oh, how cool is that? What? Oh, these glam bags, man, I'm telling you. Oh, this is cool. This looks like it works like the Tymo, so it's good to get, like, when I take my braids out. It'll be good to travel with and just do quick straighten ups on the edges and stuff. Oh, I'm excited. Ooh, I'm excited. So it comes in a heat protected sleeve. And I think probably some instructions on the inside. It probably doesn't get very hot. I don't know. I have no idea. I've never seen that before, but I'm super excited about it. Oh, use the code for 50% off. Have a flat iron. They have an Ultra 2000 blow dryer. Ooh, ceramic collection flat irons, blowout brushes, styling comb. Yeah, so it looks like it's similar to the Tymo, which I already have. So this is a nice complement to that. I'm excited to use that when I take my braids out. When it's the winter, when I can straighten my hair again, because in the summer, it is pointless. Not the humidity necessarily, although there is a lot of it. It is also the sweat. Okay, next in the bag. Wing Me Ambitious Violet Eyeshadow Palette. Hold on, let me take it out of the packaging. I'm so excited that I can't even... I feel like it's been forever since I've done an unboxing of Glam Bag, of my IPSY. So, even though it's only been a month, I feel like that's been a long month. That's pretty. This natural light is just... Okay. Oh, these are lovely. Oh, these are so pretty. I have so many eyeshadows. These are pretty. This is probably going to be a gift, so I'm not going to swatch anything because I have a ton of eyeshadow palettes. And when I started actually doing my eyes again, I realized how nice my palettes are and how many colors I have and how they're just going to waste. So I'm going to give this to somebody. That's part of a gift. I'm keeping that brush though. I'm not going to lie. I'm keeping it. Next in the bag. Murad Acne Control Oil and Pore Control Mattifier Broad Spectrum SPF 45. 10 hours of oil, shine, and pore control. Nice. Okay. I do have slightly oily skin, but I like it because I don't have a lot of wrinkles. So I don't want to mattify it too much. It's in a pump, which is lovely. I don't really have problems with, oh, no, it's not a pump. It's in a squeezy tube. I'm not going to open this. I'm just showing you the display, how it dispenses. This, not bad. Good little, this is a full size. I keep forgetting that they give you full size products. These are impressive, let me tell you. Impressive. The IPSY Glam Bag Plus is, I think, $25 or $30 a month. I've already gotten my money's worth, just FYI. I still have 2 more things in the bag. Wow. Okay, so this one is Beauty for Real Be Seen Weightless Liquid Lipstick. And the color is Maxed Out. I do have Fenty on right now. I smudged it a little bit. The, what's it called? The Poutsicles. Yeah, I actually have like 3 different things on my lips right now. But we're not going to talk about that. I have Fenty, I have Buxom, and I have Bite. 3 different things. Okay, what's the deal? Okay. This is, what is this again? A liquid lipstick. Oh, that's a pretty color. That's a pretty nude. Also, will probably be a gift. I have so many lip colors. If I keep too many more, they're going to put me on hoarders. So I'm probably going to gift this. Although it is really pretty. It'd probably be a really nice nude if I could line it with something. But I'm going to gift this. So we'll put this back in the bag. Usually, I'll find someone. The last thing is the Item Beauty Boost Juice Dual-Ended Lash Primer. And pull me here. Volumizing. So it's a lash primer and mascara, I'm thinking. I'm hesitant to open this because this package looks like you can open it only one time and then you're ruin the packaging. To be honest, I don't want to open it because I have all those Bite Beauty eyelash mascaras that I have, but I'm always down to try a new mascara. Oh, it's killing me. This is a difficult one. I want to see it. Okay, I'm not gonna open it. Volumize and lengthen. Oh, so it's wait. So it's a primer, not a mascara? Nourish, condition, and prime lashes with this dual-ended primer that disappears under mascara. Okay. The lilac side volumizes, the blue side lengthens, and both give lashes the boost they need. Choose your boost. Volumize, lengthen, apply. Oh, as a boosting base under mascara or wear alone for a color pop. Oh, wait a minute. It's tinted? Oh, we're opening and we're keeping. Decision made. What? Okay, we're going to try this tomorrow. So what did it say? I've already forgotten. The lilac side volumizes and the blue side lengthens. So this is what it looks like. And I have to cover it a little bit so you can see. Lilac and blue. So let's see. Let's find out. Ooh, it's pinkish. It's lilac colored. Okay, wait. Now the lateral light is on a little bit too much. It's purple. Okay. It's purple. Let's see. Is the blue side blue? It is. I'm trying this tomorrow. I'm totally doing this tomorrow. So what I might do, because it's Friday, it's casual day at work, I might try it alone and just to see how it looks. I obviously already have mascara on today, and I am wearing the Bite Beauty mascara. They only have one, I believe, but it's amazing. It's still on sale at Bite's website. If you can find anything at Sephora online, you can try it there. And I don't think they sell it at Ulta, but their website still has stuff on sale, and it's still 50% off. So, dual-ended lash primer. What? If I like this, and it's not too crazy expensive on IPSY's website, these might be Christmas gifts also. Christmas in July. Well, I mean, you know, at Christmas time, but I might have to get some. Oh! Okay, let me see if I can show you this purple side again. It was so cute. It's like it is like a lavender. It is really lavender. Okay. It's not working. Sorry. I don't know. You can't really see it. But it is lavender. It is lavender. And the other side is blue. You could totally see that. I'm so excited. Okay. I'm actually very hungry too. What a great day. What a great day. Okay, this is a gift. I don't really have acne. I don't want to mattify my skin too much because I kind of like the natural glow that I have from the face oils that I use. So that's going to be a gift. This is going to be a gift. And let me say this. Disclaimer. These are not gifts because I don't like them, but because I do like them and I already have. This box is still full of product. I'm kind of turning into a IPSY bag, Walmart beauty box hoarder. So I'm going to be going through my stuff pretty soon to purge a little bit of stuff. But this I'm totally keeping, and this I'm totally keeping. These two items alone made it worth it. Made it worth the whole $30 or whatever I paid. $30. I actually cannot wait to try this. I'm not taking my braids down anytime soon. I'm going to probably take them down and redo them because like my hair is coming out a little bit because my hair is kind of wonky. But I actually love having the braids. These three things are awesome. I don't really use Murad products. The one time I did, I had a bad reaction, so I'm afraid to use them again. But that palette is really cute. And if I didn't, in the back of my head, already know I have so many eyeshadows that I don't use, I would keep it. The colors are not that different than what I have in a couple of palettes that I have from Morphe, Coastal Scents, somebody. And so I can't justify keeping it. But other than that, great bag. Thank you so much, IPSY. This is not a sponsored video. I'm thanking them for having good products and always introducing me to something cool. So thank you for that. This video, these products, this bag, all paid with my own money. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you got. Did you get this comb? If you have, if you've seen it, heard of it, tried it, let me know in the comment section because I would really like to know. I want to know. This is really cute. Even if it doesn't get like super hot, I have a feeling it goes up to like maybe 350, which is probably a safe general range. I'm going to read all about it. And then I'll probably follow up with you guys in a future video once I get my hair back to, out of the braids. I don't know when that's going to be though, because I am really liking these. I really like them. I'll probably redo them and do a little bit less gray or a little bit more spread out the gray, but anyway, I gotta go. Alrighty, thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. You guys have a great day. Enjoy your life. Enjoy all those around you. Peace. Oh, look, it didn't even come off. Oh, it's the popsicle. I'm telling you, this stuff is awesome. Okay. Peace.